the mustard to my ketchup.
I know! You did it for me.
Look at your side of makeup and then my side of makeup.
I don't know, but now I feel like I need to
eggs.
do something.
Oh my god, this is so funny. Hey everyone, it's Deepica and Radhi.
Hi.
Which, by the way, Radhi has a brand new YouTube channel. But today we're gonna do a Diwali makeup look. It's gonna be super fun, and I don't know really what a Diwali makeup looks like.
Me neither.
But it's going to hero our new product.
Yay! I'm really excited to use it. It's my favorite product at the moment. I am obsessed with it. I use just a bit too much of it on my face, but I don't care. It looks great.
Yeah, but you make it work. You do use more than you need to.
I do.
But this is Hueglow for anyone who doesn't know, and it is our version of a highlighter glow product. Use it on your face and body, and we'll show you exactly how. I know you like the pink more.
I do.
I like the bronze more. It's dawn and dusk. We'll get into that once we get to that point. So let's get started. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel.
And her channel.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. So I actually start with using Hueglow as an all-over face
Oh my
primer.
gosh, so do I.
Oh, really?
No.
I was like, that doesn't sound like you do.
Now I do.
But remember, you just use a little bit. It is packed with like over 60% squalane, which is a amazing hydration ingredient. For days I don't want to wear any makeup, I love to just put on Hueglow everywhere just to get some nice nourishment and glow. I have dry skin, so it works really well on me.
Me too, yeah.
If you do have oily skin, then doing it in targeted parts of your face is better. Okay, so check it out. Look, that's just like what my skin looks like with just Hueglow, and you have dawn on, I have dusk on.
Yeah.
On days you don't want to wear any makeup, wear this to highlight your dark circles, wear this to highlight your acne scars, and it just gives you this perfect, gorgeous glow. All the reviews are coming out and people are obsessed with it.
I'm not surprised. And also, it's just such a beautiful bottle as well.
I like to do this first and then I go over it with my foundation.
Oh, okay.
Which, by the way, do you own foundation?
No, but I'm going to do concealer.
Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. I haven't used this Rare Beauty one yet.
Oh, is that a foundation?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
Selena Gomez's brand, and I haven't used it, so let me try it today. I'm using 320W. So Radhi, tell us, what was Diwali like for you growing up?
Everything I remember is to do with food.
Shocking!
Lots of fireworks at night.
I forgot to color correct. I just have memories of doing pujas. My mom being like, you have to shower, make sure to put on I needed the reminder. So I'm using Origin in the Hue Stick to color correct around my eyes and around my mouth area, which is where I have the most darkness. You should just do it in the corner part.
Okay.
What you're gonna see is when you put foundation over Hueglow, you'll still see the glow seep through. You can wear it on its own, mixed into your foundation, under your foundation, and then you'll see how I use it as a highlighter over foundation. Foundation's nice, it's like a medium level coverage.
What were your Diwalis like? Tell me.
We called it Deepavali, like South Indian, which like my name is like named, oh yeah, because my sister's name. Yeah. And it means like light, bright light. So then like, I always thought Diwali was like for me.
Of course it was.
Yeah. Since we're doing Diwali makeup and we're like celebrating, I feel like I'm gonna do a little more than usual. And you're gonna do a little more than usual too. Which means just wearing
more lipstick.
I wish we actually were having a Diwali like something right now after this.
Yeah, it's just gonna be me and you dancing on our own in here after.
I'm gonna use this powder in here on my eye to set my eyelid and see what I think. This is my first time using his makeup. I'm gonna use my Hue Stick in the shade Grounded. My face has gotten slightly rounder. I've embraced it. So for anyone who doesn't know, how would you define Diwali?
So Diwali is the festival of lights. In India, they usually celebrate with lots of candles everywhere.
So beautiful in India.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. And actually it represents looking towards light rather than darkness.
It's the celebration of good over evil, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It just brings family together, it brings friends together, and although it's gonna look slightly different this year, it's important to still have the Diwali spirits going. By the way, let's do a mid shout out to the Grand Trunk who sent us these beautiful outfits. I am wearing Sabyasachi and it is my first time ever wearing Sabyasachi, so I feel really fancy.
I'm gonna put a bit of glitter on my eyes.
Wow.
With,
really celebrating here.
I'm gonna put this one, which is your
change.
Change. Aww.
Be the change.
Be the change.
Okay, here's one thing Radhi and I do have in common. We both don't know how to wear eyeshadow.
Oh.
I'm so
I'm
not
gonna do
good.
it how I do it then. I grew up with people asking me if I was already wearing eyeshadow because I have darkness around my eyes.
Yes.
Did you get that?
Oh my god, yes, but
All the
I
time.
truly feel like that was part of the inspiration of Hueglow, because I feel like instead of like trying to like cancel it out and mask it, I love the idea of just being able to highlight the like natural color of your
Did I put
eyelids.
too much on?
No, it looks so
Oh,
good.
I actually like it. Oh my gosh, I would actually incorporate this into my life. It's so subtle, but it really lifts up
It's buildable.
the eye area.
I am also using change on my eye.
Oh my gosh, I really like it underneath. Just now on my lips, I mixed the Tinted Rise with Tinted Fawn with Tinted Origin.
I'm going to go in with a shadow, but like I've told you all a million times, I don't know what I'm doing with shadows, so we'll see what happens. What's your favorite Diwali song?
Ooh, my grandma just sings so many really beautiful traditional folk songs.
Oh my god, when is your grandma gonna have an Instagram?
When is my grandma gonna have an Instagram? That is the question.
So cute.
Oh wow, I think I did too much. Is this gonna be Halloween or Diwali?
Okay, I'm using True as my blush right now.
So I think my makeup's done, so now we're just gonna
I
focus
feel
on...
like it's been done.
It's been done.
It's so hard being a natural beauty, Radhi. Okay, so my friend Deepa came out with this lash set, Deepa Lashes,
Yay.
but she came out with a lash glue that works as a liquid liner. I've never used it.
That's
yeah,
amazing.
I'm gonna try it.
Not bad.
Oh, but not bad as it
Definitely not, no, but like that is it. Oh my gosh, amazing. That looks so good.
And this glue actually works.
There's like camera you and then there's you, and both actually look great.
By the way, oh my god, I forgot to mention, so now we have all of our holiday sets live. There's a ton of different deals. You can customize your Hue Stick, customize your Hueglow, like you can pick which shade you want, plus Unity Balm Gloss, so you can get one of all three. And we have this limited edition makeup bag. It's perfect.
Oh my gosh, it's adorable.
It says Tinted on it, and it's in our signature copper. And you can only get it with buying all 8 of our Hue Sticks. By the way, I can't even believe I can say that we have 8 Hue Sticks.
I know, seriously, when did this happen? I would really recommend getting all 8. The reason being, sometimes there are ones that I don't use individually, but I guarantee you will end up blending them all and using all of them. Like,
all of them.
All of them.
So last but not least is I'm going to show you how I use Hueglow over my makeup. You've never experienced a product with this texture. Truly, it doesn't exist. It's like a moisturizer serum with a glow in it. And I'm just gonna target it to wherever you would do a highlighter.
That is amazing.
Let me give you a close look at what's happening here with my glow.
Here's Deepica Mutyala wearing her own products here.
What do you guys think of our Diwali look? I kind of love it. It looks great. We're wishing you and your family the best
Happy
Diwali.
Diwali.
Have the best Diwali. Wishing you all the best in the next year of your life and beyond.
Yes, lots and lots of love and light to all of you.
And food. Have
And
all the
food.
food. And yeah, let us know down below what you plan to do for Diwali. We'd love to hear. And
Absolutely.
we'll see you next time.
Love you all.
Love you all. Mwah.